Dear students, now we are going to discuss deviations from monohybrid cross according to Mendel. According to Mendel, phenotypic ratio is monohybrid. Phenotypic ratio is 3:1. 3 dominant out of 4. 1 is recessive out of 4. So here we are going to see how deviations are possible from Mendel monohybrid cross. Okay, so heading is deviations from Mendel monohybrid cross. So what about those deviations? Deviations means against Mendel monohybrid cross performed in Pisum sativum. Okay, so deviations from Mendel monohybrid cross. Okay, two examples, two deviations. Okay, so first deviation is initially I will give you what are the types of deviations are against monohybrid cross proposed by Mendel. First deviation is incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. What are the examples for incomplete dominance? So first example is Antirrhinum plant. Common name Snapdragon. Example 1. Second example. Pisum sativum. With B crossed with small b genotype. Okay, so these two are examples for incomplete dominance. Second one, second deviation, codominance. Codominance. Examples, here also two examples. One is human blood group, human blood groups. Example 1, And example 2, lentil seed coat patterns or pattern. Okay, so these two are against Mendel law of dominance, which was proposed on the basis of a monohybrid cross. These two are the examples. Now we are going to discuss first one, incomplete dominance. Okay. Take first example. Antirrhinum plant shows incomplete dominance. So what about that incomplete dominance in the case of Antirrhinum plant? We'll discuss that one at the end, please. Antirrhinum is one type of plant. Wait. So Antirrhinum plant same species, Antirrhinum plant, Antirrhinum plant. First one is with red flowers. Phenotype of first Antirrhinum plant is able to produce red colored flowers, and this one producing white colored flowers. White colored flowers. Okay, so that is about a phenotype of Antirrhinum plant. Actually, Antirrhinum majus. Antirrhinum is enough. Antirrhinum plant 1, plant 2, intraspecific within the same species. And what about the genotype of these two? Red flowers. Capital R crossed with small r. Homozygous, dominant, recessive. Like Mendel monohybrid cross in the case of Pisum sativum. So here they took color of the flower. Color of the flower is character. What type of color is contrasting trait? Red, white, contrasting traits. Okay, one pair of contrasting traits of one character, that is the flower color. Same method, emasculation, bagging, artificial xenogamous type of cross pollination, as it is according to monohybrid cross. This is also monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. Meiosis completed. Gametes produced. Now each gamete is with a capital R here, small r here. Pure gametes. Here both are pure. Law of segregation is applicable to all organisms with meiosis. If meiosis is present, no doubt segregation, separation of capital R from capital R. Now, fetulation between these two gametes. Definitely, This one is a capital R and second one small r. So this one is F1, F1, and gametes of basic parents. Parent 1, parent 2. So this one is a heterozygous. Heterozygous, like a capital T, capital T. But what is the difference? Heterozygous. And what about the flower color? It is monohybrid. Monohybrid. Monohybrid means one gene with a contrasting alleles. Heterozygous in condition, simply. Heterozygous. And what about the flowers here? Pink flowers. So, Antirrhinum plant with capital R, small r. With what type of flowers? Pink colored flowers. 100% pink. 100% pink. So what go back? What about the first parent? Homozygous dominant producing red colored flowers. This one homozygous recessive producing white flowers. According to Mendel monohybrid cross, F1 must be dominant. If F1 is dominant, what about the color here? It must be red only. Instead of red, pink flowers came into existence. Okay, so phenotype 1, phenotype 2. What about this one? Third kind of phenotype. Third one or not? So pink is a phenotypic recombinant. Phenotypic recombinant. Phenotypic recombinant. Instead of red, pink appeared. Go back to Mendel. Go back to Mendel monohybrid cross. White, violet flowers. White flowers cross means Pisum sativum with violet flowers crossed with the Pisum sativum with white colored flowers. Their F1 is a capital W, small w, heterozygous. And the color of the flower is violet. Phenotypically similar to the one of the parents used. But here, instead of pink, instead of red, pink appeared. Deviation or not? So when compared with monohybrid F1, according to Mendel, it should be dominant. It is not dominant. Incompletely dominant. If it is dominant, what about the color of the flower? Should be red. Here you can use one live example. Just I'm using this example. Asian paints. Just I'm using that example only. Asian paint or some other paint, Berger paint also, some other paint, Asian paint. Red color mixed with white. So what about the color? Definitely pink. So this is hybrid or not? Phenotypic recombinant. Phenotypic recombinant. Hybrid. Phenotypic recombinant. Red plus white. What type of color produced? Pink flower. Pink or not? Pink paint. Sorry. Okay, red colored Asian paint mixed with white colored Asian paint, definitely pink. So here, red is not completely expressed. Incompletely or not? Come back. Here, according to Mendel, what about the type of phenotype here? It must be red instead of red, pink appeared. Deviation or not? 100% deviation from, in this case, 100% deviation from F1 phenotype or not? It should be red, but here pink flower. So F1 is phenotypically how much percentage deviated from Mendel monohybrid cross F1? 100% deviation. Next. Now it is subjected to self-pollination. Here, artificial xenogamous type of cross-pollination. Now it is subjected to self-pollination. Self-pollination. So during self-pollination, what about the types of gametes produced? This side female, here male. On the base of type of alleles, two kinds possible. Capital R, small r. On behalf of male, two kinds. On behalf of female, two kinds. On the base of kinds of alleles, two kinds of gametes only. When gender is added, 2 plus 2, 4 kinds. So basically two kinds only on the base of type of allele with capital R, small r. Now, what about the combinations of gametes? Capital R with capital R. Capital R, 50%. Capital R and small r. This one completed. So what about the probability of a female gamete with the capital R making fertilization with a male gamete with capital R and small r? 50-50. 2 times involved. Now, small r, capital R. Okay, so capital R, small r. This one is with this one, and this one with this one. 50%, 50%. That one also 50%. And finally, small r, small r. Now, what about the color of the flower? Red flowers. Red flower. So dominant. Dominant. Next, pink. Deviation. Incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Here also pink. Incompletely dominant. And last one, white colored flowers according to Mendel. White colored flowers. So this is about F2 progeny, filial, second generation. So in this F2, progeny, first phenotypes and genotypes. Phenotypes. How many kinds of phenotypes? And how many kinds of genotypes? First, phenotypes. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4. First one, take red. Antirrhinum plant producing red flowers. Antirrhinum plants producing pink flowers. Antirrhinum plants F2 producing white colored flowers. How many? This one 1/4. And this one 2/4. Or 1/2. And this one 1/4. So what about a phenotypic ratio here? Phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1. 1:2:1. What about a phenotypic ratio in the case of Mendel monohybrid cross? 3:1. but here it is 1:2:1. Next, genotypes. Capital R, capital R, capital R, small r, small r, small r. Capital R, 1, capital R, small r, 2, small r, 2. When compared with Mendel monohybrid cross, take this one only, sorry. In the case of Mendel monohybrid cross, phenotypic ratio. What is the phenotypic ratio? 3:1, two kinds only. Genotypic ratio 1:2:1. Okay, so 3:1 changed into 1:2:1. Okay, so in Antirrhinum plant, the phenotypic ratio is 1:2:1 against 3:1 of typical monohybrid cross in Pisum conducted by Mendel. Against 3:1 or not? So 3:1 changed into 1:2:1. Reason, appearance of pink. How many in pink? 1, 2. 2 by 4, 50%. 1 by 2. 50% with pink means in F2. What about the percentage of phenotypic deviation? 50%. 25% dominant according to Mendel. 50% 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%, 25%. This one dominant according to Mendel. 25% rest according to Mendel. But what about this 25, 25, 50% against Mendel monohybrid cross or not? Okay, right? Is it clear? So that is about incomplete dominance in the case of Antirrhinum plant. Okay, right? Now I will give you synopsis for that one. Wait, hang on. So take here Mendel monohybrid cross. Versus monohybrid cross in Antirrhinum plant. So here phenotype ratio is 3:1. How many kinds of phenotypes? Two kinds only. So here, according to Mendel monohybrid cross, kinds of phenotypes, phenotype kinds. Kinds. How many kinds? Two kinds only. What are they? Two kinds only out of two kinds. One is dominant. One is dominant. The other one is recessive. Dominant and recessive. Dominant and recessive. And what about antirrhinum plant? Phenotypic ratio. One is to 2:1. Okay, so kinds of phenotypes. How many kinds? 3 kinds. Out of 3 kinds, what are those 3 kinds? One is dominant. Third one, recessive. In between these two, I'm taking incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. Okay, so this is a kind 1, third one, and the second one. 3 kinds are not. So 3:1 changed into 1:2:1 because of appearance of pink color in F2 progeny. Of course, in F1 also pink appeared. There 100% deviation. According to this ratio, 3:1 convert into 1:2:1. That was deviation at F2 because of F2 phenotypic ratio 3:1 changed into 1:2:1. And what about genotypic ratio? Genotypic ratio according to Mendel 1:2:1. Okay, homozygous dominant, heterozygous dominant, homozygous recessive. Here I'm writing first one, homozygous, first one, dominant. Second one, heterozygous, dominant. This last one, homozygous, recessive. And here, genotypic ratio. No change. 1:2:1. First one, homozygous, dominant. Second one, heterozygous, incomplete dominance. Next, homozygous, recessive. Okay, so here it should be 3:1. 3:1. It should be 3:1, but 3:1 changed into 1:2:1. Is it clear? Next. So in antirrhinum plant, first one, capital R. Capital R means producing red colored flowers. Red flowers. Okay, so antirrhinum plant with Antirrhinum plant with capital R genotype. Capital R genotype with are producing red flowers. Red flowers is dominant, and that is according to Mendel. According to law of dominance. Law of dominance. Second one, Antirrhinum plant with capital R small r genotype, producing what type of flowers? Red flowers, pink flowers, sorry. Pink flowers. That is a incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance. So this is against or deviation. Against law of dominance. Against law of dominance. A deviation or not should be red colored flowers, and instead of red, pink appeared. Deviation. So remember this one. This is a deviation. Deviation from Mendel monohybrid cross, that is a law of dominance zone, not against law of segregation, not against law of purity of gametes. It is against law of dominance. It should be dominant color or not. Instead of dominant, pink appeared. Next, see, Antirrhinum plant with smaller genotype, producing what type of flowers? White. According to Mendel. Mendel monohybrid cross. Okay, so according to law of dominance, recessive character, but according to Mendel only. Okay, right? So these two are according to Mendel. This one dominant or not? This one incompletely dominant. This one recessive. According to Mendel. But what about in between against Mendel? Right? Next. Okay. In Antirrhinum plant, F1 filial first generation F1 is with a capital R, small r genotype, heterozygous, like a Mendel monohybrid cross. But pink or not, pink flowers, producing pink flowers. Okay, that shows 100% deviation from F1 of monohybrid cross by Mendel. Genetically heterozygous, monohybrid, but phenotypically how much deviation here? 100%. This is very, very important. Next, F2. In F2, capital R, red flowers. According to Mendel, means 25% according to Mendel monohybrid cross. Its percentage is 25% according to Mendel. In the case of F2. And what about the second one? Capital R, small r. Pink flowers. Probability 1/2 or 2/4, 50%. Pink flowers. How much percentage of deviation? 50% deviation from Mendel monohybrid cross, typical monohybrid cross. Last one, small r, white flowers. 25% according to Mendel. Out of these 4 plants, take a Punnett square. This explanation is very, very important. In F2, what about this one? Red, producing red flowers. This one pink. This one pink. And this one white. Okay, so deviation is in the case of pink, 50% deviation. And remaining 50% according to Mendel. So here, 50% in this case, out of 100%, means 4 plants, 50% according to Mendel in F2. And remaining 50% against Mendel. This is regarding F2 only. F2. In the case of F1, 100% deviation. 100% deviation. Right? Is it clear? So far we completed a incomplete dominance in Antirrhinum plant. First one, take according to Mendel. According to Mendel, take one monohybrid cross. Capital W crossed with a small w. First one producing violet flowers, dominant. Second one, white colored flowers. dominant, recessive. Cross between these two. F1 is with a capital W, small w, producing violet flowers. That is similar to dominant, one of the parents, dominant one, that is a violet colored flowers. Now F1, capital W, small w, subjected to self-pollination. According to Punnett square, first box, capital W, producing violet flowers. Second box, third box, capital W, small w, producing violet flowers. No deviation. According to Mendel, that is correct. Last fourth box, small w, white colored flowers. Now compare F1 of monohybrid cross. Typical means the main one on the base of which we can understand a monohybrid cross. According to Mendel, F1 should be dominant. But what about in the case of antirrhinum plant? F1 heterozygous, 100% correct. But what about phenotype? Pink flowers instead of red flowers. So in F1, what about the percentage of phenotypic deviation when compared with F1 of typical monohybrid cross conducted by Mendel in Pisum sativum? 100%. 100% pink or not? Instead of red, it should be red. It should be red or not? 100% red. Instead of red, pink appeared. 100% deviation in the case of F1. Now go to F2. In F2, dominant, first box dominance, okay, according to Mendel. Last box recessive, according to Mendel. But what about second one and third box? Heterozygous, monohybrid. But what about the phenotype of flowers? Pink, 50% deviation. So because of so-called 50% deviation, what about 3:1? 3:1 changed into 1:2:1, similar to genotypic ratio. So overall, in incomplete dominance of antirrhinum plant, phenotypic deviation was in the case of a heterozygous condition only, capital R, small r, F1. Next, F2, capital R, small r. So in F1, capital R, small r, heterozygous, pink. In F2, capital R, small r, pink. So phenotypic deviation in the case of F1 and F2 also. In F1, 100% deviation. F2, 50% deviation only. Here the change in phenotypic ratio from 3:1 to 1:2:1 is not because of F1, because of F2. Of course, deviation was happened in both F1 and F2, but 3:1 is changed into 1:2:1 because of phenotypic deviation at F2 generation. Deviation was happened in F1 and F2. In F1, 100% deviation. In F2, 50% deviation. So because of deviation at F2 phenotypic deviation, 3:1 is changed into 1:2:1, that is similar to genotypic ratio. Here, what about the number of kinds of phenotypic recombinants? One kind of phenotypic recombinant, that is pink. Parental combinations, parents, red, white. Okay, so the pink is in between red and white, pink color. So number of kinds of phenotypes, 3 kinds. Okay, dominant, red. Next, incomplete dominance, pink color. Last one, recessive. Number of kinds of phenotypes, 3 are not. That's why ratio is 1:2:1. Is it clear? Right? So when capital R is associated with small r, What about the expression of capital R? Capital R is incompletely expressed. That is very, very important. If capital R is associated with capital R only, dominant. If capital R is associated with a small r on the homologous region of homologous pair of chromosomes, capital R is incompletely expressed. For this one, take one example, that is Asian paints. Red color, separate color, not mixed with white. What about the color of the red only? White colored Asian paint, not mixed with the red. Definitely that is in red color. If these two are mixed, capital R, small r mixed, blend it, mix it. What about the color? Pink color. So when capital R is associated with small r on the homologous region of that homologous pair, what about capital R? Incompletely expressed, not completely. So that's why, what about the color of the flower? Pink color, phenotypic deviation, that is a phenotypic recombinant. So that is about incomplete dominance in the case of Antirrhinum plant. So this is enough for today, and tomorrow we'll discuss a second example, that is incomplete dominance in the case of Pisum sativum with a capital B crossed with a small b. We'll see that one tomorrow.